So the features of this Wi-Fi wireless conference is use the 5G technology, wireless communication frequency band with stronger bandwidth and communication speed. It also had the 4 meeting modes, but the difference is that this one, we have the voice control. So we have first in, first out, normal voice and apply. It's for the manual and also automatically ID setting. One controller can support 300 pieces wireless microphone. It can also extend to 4096 wired microphone by adding extension device. Okay, the USB slot, it is used for the recording and playback. The controller is built with 2 by 25 volt amplifier. Okay, it's also for the PC software control and management. Adopt 128-bit AES encryption technology. So your meeting is very safe. This is the different types of the delegates, which can match the W100 series. This one with discussion, voting, and the sign-in, speaker, screen, touchable. This one is for the lower budget, without screen, without touchable, only for the discussion, no voting. And this is the embedded one. So different kind of appearance for you to choose. Application is also can be used, applied in the small, medium, and a large meeting room solution. This is the application we already installed. Okay, the last part. The last part is for the simultaneous interpretation system. This is the controller. The controller front panel, very simple, and the rear panel. System diagram. From this port, we can connect to the interpreter Unix. And then from this, we go to the IR radiator and then to the IR receivers. The features is fully digital DQP-SK-IR wireless technology. Very clear sound, high confidentiality, strong stability, and anti-jamming capacity. Export 1 channel original language and 63 translated language. Okay, you just have a check. You also have the T apply function, very humanized. Application. This is our successful case. It's very suitable for the government international meeting solution. Okay, at the last part, we have the professional sound system. We would like to introduce you because in the meeting room solution, you will also need this to add it together, make a perfect solution. For the UHF wireless handheld headset, lavalier microphone, we have 2 types, which is very popular. The first one is the T-521 UH series with 1 receiver with 2 mics. The second one, T-530 ABC series, 1 receiver with 1 mic. Okay, you can see the picture here. Different color. Mixer series, we also have 2 types. One is for the analog mixer, and the other one is the digital mixer. Analog mixer, we have 12 channel, 14 channel, 16 channel. Digital mixer, we have 20 channel for the 4 bus group, 20 channel for the A bus group, 32 dente function. So it's very powerful. And the audio processor. Audio processor, the first one, we have the feedback processor, which we also sell a lot. Audio matrix processor. Audio matrix processor with dente. Okay, this introduced for the professional amplifier. Professional amplifier, we have the economic type, PI series. So this one is for the lower voltage, lower power. The maximum is 700 voltage. This is the basic amplifier, and the medium type amplifier, which have the larger power, 1200 watt. And the third is for the high-end level, digital amplifier. So it's 1200 watt maximum. Professional speaker, we have the passive linear series, 4 models. Attic linear, also 4 models. This is the best seller of our wall market speaker. Monitor speaker series, which is suitable on the stage. Subwoofer. Okay, subwoofer type also, 1200 watt, 4 ohm. Okay, that's all for the first PPT. Let's take a rest, and next we will go to the new product launch. Thank you. Okay, everybody, are you ready? We're going to introduce our new products, Conference System 2020 new products. Okay, you know, one of the advantage for ITC is our strong and powerful R&D team. So nearly every year, every month, we release the new products. At the beginning of this year, we released 7 new products of our conference system. So today we would like to introduce you our new products. So totally there is 7 series. The first one, second generation 5G Wi-Fi conference microphone unit, TS-W102. Okay, you see this picture? Very excellent. The features, we have the feature and the bidding control points. So bidding control points, you can write in the base, in your base of the projects. This is very competitive points. First one, it only needs 5 seconds to connect after the microphone booth. Second, it has the false detection. Third, okay, Chinese, English, switcher. But in future, we will consider to add French, Russian, Spanish. Yeah, it will sell pretty well. And the fourth one, we use the Type-C port for convenient online charging. Fifth, with speaking time keeping and the time speaking function. Sixth, sport voice control. The microphone can be turned on intelligently. The voice sensitivity can be adjustable and the time can be set out by a software. 7, with 5-band EQ adjustment function. So you can adjust on the PC software. Yeah, very intelligent. 8, yeah, this one, you can sign in through the PC software. You can start to sign in. It adopts 128-bit AES encryption technology. So your meeting is pretty safe. Strong conference confidentiality. 10, chairman has the priority function to turn off all the delegate mics that are speaking. 11, dual backup built-in lithium battery supports 15 hours of continuous speaking. Very long time for speaking. 12, sport online program upgrade. Very convenient for you to upgrade after you buy this. 13, the sound sensitivity is adjustable. Okay, this is the main points of our features for this. Remember this. The system diagram, also very easy to connect the controller and the AP transmitter, and then to the wireless conference. If you need the camera checking, you will need the TS-0699, which is the camera checking controller. It can connect 5 pieces of the HD cameras. So when anyone on the meeting, it press this button, when he want to speak, the camera will point to this man, and this man will be on the big screen. So we can make this position preset on the software. Okay, the second part, third generation 5G Wi-Fi conference microphone units, TS-W103, the second one. Okay, see this picture, it's gorgeous. TS-W103 is the third generation conference microphone units. It uses 4.3-inch IPS full view touch screen. It only takes 5 seconds to power on and connect to the AP, and then you can speak. Its features and the bidding control points. Let's study. Okay, the same 5 seconds auto boot and connect to AP. So you cannot find the second one as ours, very fast. Strong system compatibility. It can work with all Wi-Fi series microphones with the function of intelligent fault detection. Chinese and English can be switched by PC software. With speaking time keeping and the time speaking function, spot voice control, the microphone can be turned on intelligently. The voice sensitivity can be adjusted, and the time can be set up via software. So it's very intelligent. You can set according to your needs. Defined election and voting can be set through PC software. Adopt 128-bit AES encryption technology for higher confidentiality. With wireless transmission technology, the chairman has priority function to turn off all delegate microphones that are speaking. Battery supports 14 hours of continuous speech. Support Type-C centralized charging, 4.3-inch IPS full view, capacitive touch screen. Okay, this is the gorgeous one. Let's see its diagram. System diagram, almost the same. So the controller, camera checking, cameras, controller to the switch, and then switch to the AP transmitter. One AP transmitter can coverage 55 wireless microphone. And then to the output, audio output. Okay, it's the same and very easy to connect. This is the solution list. The list of 30 wireless Wi-Fi conference mic units. So in this solution, you will definitely need the system host, one system host. You will need the software, but the software will already build in the host. So you don't need to install by yourself. And yeah, this chairman unit, it depends on your needs. So you can use 1, you can use 2 or 3 according to your needs. Now here we have two chairmen and 28 delegates. 3 10-port charging box. So 10-port charging box, charging this Unix. And you will need the PoE switch. And 1 AP transmitter, because 1 AP transmitter, again, it can coverage 55 units of the delegates. And here only 30, so you only need 1. Okay, this is the solution, how to configure a 30 wireless Wi-Fi conference microphone. This is some tips, some notes for you. So TS-W103, and this is the delegate, this is the chairman, can work with all Wi-Fi series microphones. Support only Chinese, English currently. It can work with all 02 series wired microphone. And the host is required. Yeah, sure. The wireless conference system must be equipped with our wireless AP model. So this is the AP transmitter. And the switch, this is the switch. It's is dedicated to the private network. If it is equipped with a central control or HD recording equipment and separated from the switch management network. Okay, this is the nodes. Let's see the third, this one. Angel full color electronic nameplate with microphone. It names TS-0210. Okay, see this, the picture first. It looks very fantastic. The features and the bidding control points. First one, it adopts the Qualcomm A7 architectural processor. So this screen is 7-inch capacitive touch color screen and Angel system for first-class experience. And the system is very strong compatibility. It can work with 02 series wired units. And it's full color, full viewed electronic nameplate. This means here, there is a nameplate behind. Can display the speaker's name and of any color, any phone. Name information can be sent by one click via PC software. And you can also send the conference information uniformly via PC software. Okay, it also have a lot of functions, and you can insert a USB to open, read, and edit the document in Word, Excel, PPT, PDF, TXT inside. It means if you use your USB, then you can start reading here and edit here from here. Use it as the computer, the panel. Okay, and Barbara, so many functions. And the nameplate layout can be freely arranged. Okay, let's see its product value. The first one, you can insert a USB to open, read, and edit the document, Word, Excel, PPT, PDF, TXT inside. You see this? Chinese. Let me translate. U-dish. Okay, USB, U-dish. And you can use it in different assets, this different formats. And the second one, this is the nameplate, also Chinese, our CEO's name. You can type your name, yeah, inside, English. Third, small custom electronic nameplate of multiple color, phone size, and up to 13 phones. So you can choose the phones and the color and the size very intelligently. Okay, the fourth one, you can send a short message to other device in the conference. This is the system diagram. It has the controller, has the connector through the controller to the wired microphone unit, this delegate units. It also can, you see this is for the wired part. For the wired part, this controller is very powerful. It can connect the wired one. It can also, through the AP transmitter, to coverage the wireless microphone as well. So powerful one, the controller. Yeah, very competitive. And if you, somebody in the meeting, they don't need to speak, they just need to vote, and you want to lower your budget, you can use our this type for the receiver, this one to just make the voting. This can lower the whole budget of the meeting solution. Okay, let's see the fourth one, digital analog dual backup microphone, TS-0303. Okay, see this picture. This is the appearance. It looks beautiful. Okay, the features and the bidding control points. This unit has a digital analog dual backup function, including a digital transmission link and an analog backup link. The two microphone links are completely independent. When the digital transmission link fails, it automatically switches to the analog backup link. Second, microphone unit adopt double sound head design, dual indicator lights with digital and analog light switch microphone. Okay, let's see the red words. They can use independently from the conference host and support PoE switch power supply, digital port. They adopt 100 meters network transmission and connect with the controller through the PoE switch. Wow, it's fantastic for this. And the microphone units support feedback suppressing function. So you already build a feedback suppressing function. You don't need to buy another device for it. You can save your money. Okay, 12. It supports 5-band EQ adjustment function. And support online firmware upgrade. No need to disassemble to burn software. So it's very convenient for you to upgrade in the future. Okay, this is a picture in details. You can see first, okay, this is the microphone indicator here. And the chairman speech button, chairman priority button is the BIP button. And delegate speech, delegate, and the chairman, the difference is the chairman has the speech and the priority, have this priority button. And from the inside, we have the network interface and the mini XLR mail interface. So it's for the backup use. Product value. So this is a sub microphone dual head pickup design integrated microphone. Second, one microphone can realize dual backup function. This is the most advantage for you to use this one, introduced to your customer. Third, digital and analog channel can work independently without interference. Four, simultaneous digital and analog access to the link. The digital channel with the priority when the host fails. It will automatically detect and immediately switch to the analog channel to ensure that the meeting runs smoothly. Fifth, it can be used not only as a normal TS-338 analog microphone, but also as a hand-in-hand digital conference microphone. Let's see its system diagram, and then you can know it more clearly. So if you use this microphone, you have the controller, you have the PoE switch. Just now we show you that there is two interface. One interface is to the PoE switch, that is the network connecting. And the other interface is to connect our audio processor, which we call XLR mail interface. Yeah, this is for the backup use. So this is the solution list. In this solution, you will need the controller host, yeah, conference host, one conference host. You will need the chairman microphone. You will need the delegates microphone. And you will need the analog mixer. Analog mixer is go for the audio part to connect to the amplifier, to the speaker, then you hear the sound. And you will need the PoE switch. You will need the audio processor. This is for the backup service. Okay, let's see the files. Third generation economical network microphone, TS-0306. You see, this is the microphone pictures. Yeah, the microphone pictures. It looks very compact, right? Very beautiful, very elegant. And it has the double network ports are used for the connect hand in hand. So it's very easy to connect in the system solution. The features and the bidding control points. It adopts the double network port design, so it can hand-in-hand connection network cable. Third, microphone ID sensitivity, EQ, and other parameters can be set through the web page. And it supports the sign-in function, support online firmware upgrade on web page. With the speech, timekeeping, and time speech function, the delegate unit can apply for speaking. Okay, so a lot of good functions, good features. It also supports the TCP full function protocol touch button design. Let's see the details. Okay, this one here is the microphone indicator. And this is the speech button. This is the priority button. The difference of the chairman, delegate man, different delegate units. And two ports. One is for the network port to connect the PoE speech. Sorry, no. It's for the hand-in-hand connecting. So this is for the hand-in-hand, different unit. The solution list. This is the list of 30 conference mic units. You will definitely need the conference host one piece. You will need the chairman microphone units. You can set 2 or 1 or 6. Yeah, depends on your needs. And this is the delegate units. And we will have the, it's special here. We will have the 6-pin abbreviation cable. So this one is to transfer the different port type. I will show you later. And this is the extension cable. Okay, let's see the notes first. It's strictly prohibited to connect other equipment to the microphone network port. Second, the function of the 2 network ports are the same. Okay. Third, support web page, firmware program upgrade without disassembling. And 4, if there is a 0306 microphone, a 6-pin network cable is required. Otherwise, the mic cannot be used. The network extension cable need to use a STP Cat6 cable. Okay, let's see this. Just now I talked about this. This is the cable we need in if you use this microphone. The reason is that the port here is the network port, but the controller here you can see 6-pin. So we need this to transfer. This cable is to transfer from the 6-pin to the network cable, and then hand-in-hand. Very easy to connect. This is the system diagram for this unit. Okay, let's see the 2 conference host backup TS-W100MD. The features. This is the pictures. The pictures is almost the same. The difference is that it has the dented port here. Okay, it has the dented network. So it supports the dented network protocol. It with the dual machine backup function, one conference control host can be set as the backup host and connect to the system. When there is an accident in the main host, the backup host will automatically alert it to ensure the smooth progress of the meeting. So this is the advantage you should keep in your mind. Okay, and if you write in your bid in the project, you can also consider ITC now on the market. We also have the investigation that 90% in the market is fake. It's fake hop backup. But the ITC's controller, this one is 100% true backup. When the main host is powered off, the backup host automatically works. Yeah, it automatically works. So this is very intelligent and very competitive points, which you can write in your bids. With a 2x20 watt amplifier function. So you don't need amplifier. it already built the amplifier. So the speaker do not need the amplifier. Yeah, it already have 2 by 20 watt. The host is integrated with a wired and wireless microphone. So if you want to connect the wired microphone, you through this. 1, 2, 3, 4, this. You can through this to connect the wired one. If you want to connect the wireless one, you will need the AP transmitter. This is the product value. The first one, support dual machine, true backup function. The backup machine can detect the running status of the main host and backup the current data in real time. And it supports the DENTI network protocol, the Internet of the Things between digital audio signal device. Third, it comes with a conference recording function to record the content of the conference in real time. Fourth, built-in high performance dual CPU processor, super processing power, Wi-Fi conference system, and the full digital conference system can share the host. Okay, this is the 4 product value. And the scene graph. You see this? This is the diagram as well. The controller, and it shows the backup 2. So if one is broken, it will automatically switch to the backup units, and then to the switch to the extension. This is the extension Unix. Conference management. So it has the speaking, voting, signing, electronic nameplate, camera checking, all of the function we can satisfy your needs. Remote control. So the conference control host and the computer use TCP/IP protocol to connect to the computer for remote control through the internet interface. Third, dual machine backup. Ordinary conference room realize dual machine backup function to ensure 24 hours uninterrupted meeting. This is used the DENTI host for audio transmission between devices. Yeah, check it. Let's see the last one. The last series is the embedded array microphone TS-0214. Look, this is the picture of it. It looks so cool, right? Very cool, the design of this. We call it TS-0214. So it's embedded array microphones. Can work with paperless conference system, no microphone load, free structure. The pickup distance can be reached 60 centimeters. The host can centralizely control the leading up and down. Okay, the features and the bidding control points. With speech time keeping and the time speech function, the delegate unit can apply for speech. With the voice control function, you can automatically turn on the microphone, adjust the voice control sensitivity, and set up the time. The pickup distance can reach 60 centimeters. This is the key point, 60 centimeters. You don't need to worry that your voice is not clear. It has so large pickup range. Okay, adopt embedded free structure, mute button, ultra quiet model. With a 5-band EQ adjustment function, it can adjust the overall sound quality of each speaker, spot unified lift through the conference host screen. Spot network and the power hand in hand, cascaded. And the spot sign-in function, also very powerful, very completed functions. This is the system diagram. One controller, camera checking, cameras, to the audio parts. This is the feedback suppressor, and to the amplifier, to the speaker, and the key parts here. It directly connects to the controller and hand in hand. Automatically, you can press one key to make it up and down. Very elegant, very cool. Okay, this is the list of 20 conference mic units config. Let's see. You will definitely need the conference host. You will need the chairman unit, and you need 19 delegate units. You will need the audio processor. Okay. The notes. The first choice of conference host is a TS-W100. Currently, only the latest version of TS-W100 can control in a unified way. This means that in the controller, there is you can control one key, one button to control all of the microphone up and down. Just one button on the controller. The second, TS-224 audio processor is required to adjust the sound quality and the pick-up range, pick-up distance. Third, each embedded Android microphone comes with a 2 meters 6-pin extension cable that can be used for the hand-in-hand cascade. Come with a power cord for power hand-in-hand cascade. The microphone for power consumption is 3 watts. Okay, and the embedded array microphone not recommended to work with the gooseneck microphone. We suggest you only use the same type to make the same sensitivity of all the microphone. Don't use the one with the gooseneck microphone and the one with the array microphone, which is not in the same sensitivity, and it will keep you noise for the, because there is a howling. Yeah. Okay. I finished the introduction of our new products in the conference system. Totally is 7 series. Sorry, 7 series. I hope you can remember that. Keep in mind, and we will send you this PPT, and then you can read again, and we will also send you the audio parts, and you can also play back and check again, see if you are interested, and also if you have any project, we can help you to configure the projects. Okay, this is the second PPT. Just now I mentioned that I will also share you that our successful case. Okay, let's go on. ITC successful case all over the world. First one, Indonesia wireless conference system. This is the Malaysia Singapore project. I think it's for the hotel solution. This is the Philippine solution. Okay, Philippines again. We do a lot of successful case in Southeast Philippine projects. Okay, and Ethiopia, Africa. Any Africa friends? This project is pretty big, very large. We do the stage lighting, we do the pro sound, we do the more than 2,000 delegates, and also the 2 screen made by us. And this hall is used for the president to make the conference. So it's international, very big one. And Uzbekistan is a paperless conference system, and also the screen, LED screen. Saudi Arabia, we're doing the training center. Okay, so we can make the embedded units onto the chairs. This is the South African projects for the government projects. And the project in Dubai, paperless conference system. Okay, it's a Senegal conference. Guyana National Conference Center use our conference solution and LED screen. Bolivia. Also, we spot them installed the conference and the Pro Sound. Vietnam. Ethiopia for the Foreign Affairs Conference Hall. Ethiopia Conference Hall. Ethiopia again. Venezuela. Yeah, it's South America. Video conference. This is the Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam projects. Myanmar, Mandalay, Parliament project. Project in India. Project in Sri Lanka, conference projects. Saudi Arabia project conference. Saudi Arabia project again. Okay, we actually have many other projects. We're going to go to agree and say you more. This is all from the overseas projects. We also get a lot of national projects as well. So that's all for my introduction of our conference solution and our new products in the conference, and share with you about our successful cases. So thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, and see you next time. Next one, we will welcome Mr. Edward to introduce you how to configure the solution. Let's take 5 minutes rest, okay? Okay, thank you.
Hello, everybody. This is Edward from ITC, engineer for overseas market. After the main case, let's taste some bitter coffee about the detailed project design. Okay, so this is a simple project. So we need one conference controller and conference chairman unit, also delegate unit, wireless microphone, mixer, audio processor, and feedback suppressor, also amplifier and speakers. Besides, we added some interpretation units. This system can make it more flexible for some international conference. So here is a diagram for this system. You can see our conference unit connect to the conference host through the 6-pin cable. And then the sound of the microphone can be transmitted to the interpretation host. Then from the host, connect to IR radiator. Then the participants who are in the meeting wear their headphones with the receiver. They can hear what is the desired language. You can select desired language and hear what is interpreted by interpreter. We can also connect one wireless hand mic to the mixer. Also, we need a feedback suppressor to make sound better and no noise, no echo. Here we need, wait a minute. Here we need one audio cable also to the mixer. The green cable means audio cable. So a signal will transmit it from the conference controller to mixer, and then from mixer to audio processor. Then connect to amplifier, make sound amplified. Then everybody in the meeting can hear what is saying by participants. So this is a very simple solution for a conference with 30 conference units and interpretation function. Also, the professional sound system makes sound quality very good. Here we can see the explanation of every kind of cable. So with controller and units, conference units, microphone, and sound system, we can make a full solution for one conference room. That's all for today's presentation. If you have any questions, you can ask at the chat bar, so my colleague can answer in time. Thank you.